Good morning, viewers. I'm Deepika Shukla from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. On this special occasion of Women's Day, celebrate all the incredible women around you who make your life better in terms of their love, grace, and endless energy, and also make this world a better place to live. Also, by endless efforts of the government, the term equality has been strengthened. So, dear girls, avail this equality in terms of grabbing the opportunities and embrace your strength, pursue your dreams, and most importantly, never allow anyone to silence your voice. Support each other, respect each other. Thank you. Happy Women's Day to all.
नमस्कार। सबसे पहले तो मैं विश्व महिला दिवस की शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ मेरी तरफ से और जीसी बक्सर फैमिली की ओर से सभी महिलाओं को विश्व महिला दिवस की बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। साथ ही मैं बिहार सरकार एवं डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ साइंस टेक्नोलॉजी एंड टेक्निकल एजुकेशन DSTT बिहार को बहुत बहुत आभार व्यक्त करती हूँ जो कि महिला की शिक्षा और सशक्तिकरण की ओर अग्रसर हैं। उनका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। सच कहा गया है कि यदि आप एक पुरुष को शिक्षित करते हैं तो एक व्यक्ति को शिक्षित करते हैं, पर यदि आप एक महिला को शिक्षित करते हैं तो पूरे समाज को शिक्षित करते हैं। इसी के साथ धन्यवाद देते हुए अ वेरी हैप्पी वुमेन्स डे टू ऑल।
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samira Shamim, Assistant Professor of English in GEC Buxar. Today we celebrate the strength and determination of women all around the world. We honor the trailblazers who paved the way for us. As we mark this special day, let's remember that women's empowerment is not just a women's issue, but a human issue. Let's work together to create a world where every woman and girl can live without fear of violence and discrimination. Let's celebrate women's achievements and let's continue to pave a world where women are valued and respected and empowered to reach their full potential. Happy Women's Day.
Hello everyone, myself Sushmita Ranilal from Department of Civil Engineering. I am also the warden of GEC Buxar and admission in charge too. On the occasion of the Women's Day, I would like to wish all the women and the girls a very happy Women's Day. We are celebrating this Women's Day for the empowerment of the women's. Women's of all the sections of the society are celebrated on this occasion, on this particular day. So in our admission curriculum also, the RCG quota have got introduced, which is giving more opportunities to especially to the girls for doing engineering. So thank you, and once again a very happy Women's Day.
Hello everyone, happy Women's Day to all. Myself Annapurna Verma, working as an assistant professor in GC Buxar. Today women are giving their best in every fields, in educational fields, in research fields and in many more. So they are serving as not only the contributor, they are serving as a backbone to the society. So this is our time to help them, to improve them so that they can give their best in every field. And I would also like to thank DSTTE Bihar for giving me a chance for to present and to speak about Women's Day. Thank you.
हाय, दिस इज़ महक फ्रॉम थर्ड ईयर इलेक्ट्रिकल ब्रांच। आजकल की गर्ल्स हर फील्ड में बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं। इंजीनियरिंग की फील्ड में भी बहुत अच्छा योगदान दे रही है। इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज में उन्हें अपलिफ्ट करने के लिए बहुत सारे कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ करवाए जाते हैं। गवर्नमेंट बहुत सारे स्कॉलरशिप्स प्रोग्राम चला रही हैं, बहुत सारे मेंटरशिप प्रोग्राम चल रहे हैं ताकि वो एनकरेज हो सके और आगे बढ़ सके। हैप्पी वुमेंस डे।
Thank you for being an amazing woman and inspiration to all. A very happy Women's Day to all of you. I am Khushi Singh and I am from 23rd batch CAC branch. First of all, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to our government for their tireless effort in providing education for empowering women at a very affordable cost. Your dedication and commitment in empowering women through education is really very commendable. Women, you are strong, capable, and you deserve all the respect and dignities. On this International Women's Day, we honor the women who paved their way for the future generation. Once again, a very happy Women's Day.
Good morning everyone, I am Anshika Sinha, Electrical branch from session 2021 to 2025. I am very thankful and grateful to DST to provide such an amazing and feasible platform for my technical education. It would really help me for my career growth and me being an independent woman. Thank you.